Hello students, this is your Mr. GST CA Vishnuvardhan, and in this video I am going to talk about, yes, you are just 3 months away from your exam and the game plan, how to proceed. See, understand, it is going to be little bit, yes, time taking video, but still I'm going to give proper details for you how to approach now, how to best use this 3 months time, all this stuff. So please make sure you are using this video properly and watching it till the end, right? So in this, first, what I'm going to cover is I'm going to cover what are the subject combinations, how do you proceed with, and next I'm going to cover with the study plan regarding the time slots, etc. And sir, both groups are single group, and finally, what is my opinion, honest opinion on this? I'm just going to talk with. So please make sure you're watching this video till the end. First, the first part. See, generally when we are starting our preparation, the first dilemma for us is, sir, how many subjects I should read a day? I'm telling you with the experience and as a student who have been through this journey, sir, reading more than two subjects a day will definitely confuse you. So two subjects a day is the ideal one, and probably one practical, one theory paper is an ideal combination. So this is my advice: accounts and laws, accounting standards plus direct tax, accounts plus GST, costing, audit, FMSM, like this, any combination you try. But two subjects ideally you plan, and plan it in a such a way where one is a practical paper, the other is a theory paper, right? So this is regarding subject combination. Don't read three, four subjects in a day. Definitely it will confuse you. This is the first advice. Next, coming to the study plan. First of all, I have given you here some time slots based on like my experience, what I did during my CA final preparation. See, generally, I believe early morning is the best time to wake up and read. Nowadays, you people have this Batman concept, night owl concept, all these things. According to your comfort, you do it. But these three time slots are going to be common for anybody. This one and this one are going to be common for everyone. So remaining things based upon your sleep habits, all that. But my sincere suggestion is don't wake up late or don't stay awake late at the night and do all these things, Batman concept and night owl concepts. Better to go with early morning because you can retain the theory what you are reading in the early morning for a longer period. So your memory will be very good if you are studying in the early morning times. Okay. If you have a different thing, okay, we are not going to debate on this. Let us not worry. Now, what my suggestion here is, first of all, let us fix on the time slots when we are sitting for the preparation, all that stuff. So, for example, I'm going to sit for 4 to 6. 4 to 6 2 hours time slot, you should put up an alarm and you should switch off the data and you should keep your mobile away, which is beyond your reach, and study. Or if you want to use some internet, etc., make sure you are using it, the laptop or whatever, but don't go with this WhatsApp, Instagram, all these things. They should not be within your reach. So make sure you are doing that. Once that slot is over, then yes, you are done. Next, go with the next time slot. Then next time slot. Take some sufficient breaks as I have given here. But make sure this time slots, whatever the time slot you prepare, if you want to make some modifications, make some modifications. Here I made a time slot in such a way 12 hours you can achieve with sufficient breaks and with reasonable amount of time, where you are starting your preparation morning 4 o'clock and ending night at 7:30. Okay, after that, please make sure you have good dinner and have good time with your family and go to the bed by 9:30 maximum. So you'll have sufficient time to sleep. Here, what I'm trying to tell in this time slots, now please understand, in this 2 hour time slot, whatever I have given 12-hour time slot, first target is at the moment I start preparing itself. You will not get that momentum to sit for 12 hours, all this stuff. Try to achieve at least the first 7 to 10 days. Try to achieve at least 80% of the target where you are clocking this at least some 8 to 10 hours, whatever it is possible. So sit with the books, and first of all, to get that momentum, your biggest enemy is that mobile phone. Throw that mobile away. When you are preparing, it should be in silent mode, data should be off, and then you should be reading. That is the only way where you can clock the time properly and use it effectively. So please do that. Okay. And later on, within 7 to 10 days, you should get the momentum and you should be achieving 100% efficiency. And for next 1 month, you should be definitely consistently following that. And 12 hours, you should be clocking. Okay. This is the next target. And after that, so obviously now you are spending good time with the books. See, you have become like okay, a little kind of monk where you are just not having any other like daily rituals where you just sleep, wake up, read, eat, repeat. This is going to be the routine for you for the next few months or few days, of course. So now what you have to do after 1 month of this? So make sure you are increasing the time if possible. If you don't have any other work, make sure you are increasing this time. So here, if you see, I have given the time slot is getting over by 7:30. You can again start from 8:30 to 10, 1.5 hour you can increase, or 8:30 to 10:32 hours you can increase. So it can be increased up to 14 hours reasonably. And this purely depends upon your efficiency, all these things, and your health related aspects as well. So keeping that in mind, so this is my suggestion with respect to time slots. So first start with a 12 hours target where at least 80% if you're achieving also well and good. Or sir, 8 to 10 hours I'll plan properly and I will definitely achieve that, sir. Do that for 7 to 10 days, get the momentum, then go with 12 hours target. And then after 1 month, make sure you're trying to increase that further. Okay, this is the next one. Coming to the next one. Both groups are single groups, sir. This is the biggest dilemma for everyone. Sir, the concept here is please understand. Generally, when you sit for preparation, what I feel as a senior, as per the practice or preparation, even what I have gone through, for preparing for two subjects, generally 15 days is the ideal time, what I feel completely for revising everything, all these things, and getting this conceptual clarity, all that, because you have attended the classes. You are not doing the self study first time, you are not opening the book. Okay, you have attended the classes. So, keeping that in mind, two subjects, 15 days is really very good time. And 16th day and 18th day, what I suggest is download one model test paper or mock test paper. Don't rely on anybody, you need not depend on anyone. So, download the question paper from the website. You will have so many question papers. On 16th day, write one exam. 18th day, write another subject exam. So, two subjects you will be preparing yourself, and also you will get one practice exam. That is very, very, very important, my dear friends. Please understand, without writing practice, you are not going to achieve the desired results what you want. So, my sincere suggestion is once preparation is done for 15 days, 16th day and 18th day, make sure you are writing the exam. In worst case, sir, if it goes to 20 days also, including the exams, still you have done a very good job, right? So in this space, if you see six subjects, you should be finishing in 60 days. Okay, with this space, if you go six subjects, 60 days, you should be finishing. And this is also, I'm giving two grace days for every cycle. Okay, and we have 3 months time. In 2 months, if you finish your preparation, obviously you will have 1 month time for your revision as well as exams. That means you can write multiple practice exams again, you can revise. So with the target of now, earlier you have been preparing for two subjects with 15 days target. Now you have to revise two subjects with 5 days target and write one exam for each subject. Like that, you can plan something, and you can plan your second revision, third revision, and your second round of exam and third round of exams also. You can plan for that particular month. Okay, so that is the key thing. Here, the only point is, sir, this is the biggest enemy now. I have this self-doubting, sir. I have trust issues on myself, sir. Should I go with both groups? What to do? I'm not able to understand. See, first of all, if you have this self-doubting, you are not able to understand whether to go with both groups or not. Simple suggestion, first stick on to one group, select one group. As per the discussion here, what we made, sir, one group if you select also, properly you should revise one group fully, thoroughly, and you should be able to write the exam also on that 100 marks exams I'm talking about. So full syllabus exam, you should have given one round exam at least in 1 month. This is very bare minimum time. Telling you, I'm giving you luxury. So please don't misuse the time. 1 month is a very good sufficient amount of time. Properly, you can revise all the topics and you can go with one round of 100 marks exam. That with 1 month target you finish. If you are achieving that target, obviously you'll be have 2 more months time. Then you will get the confidence. Then you try for the second group. Or if nothing is working out, fine. Then you can stick on to one group. But first target one group. So if you are doubting yourself, both groups will work for me or not, then do this with 1 month target, finish one group and write 100 marks exams. This is what very, very important. If you are effective there, at least some 80% you're able to write properly and get correct answers, all these things, then you are on track. You can go with the next group. So that is very important, right? So that way you plan whether you want to go for both or single. Now, sir, what is your opinion, sir? What do you suggest? Both groups or single group? My honest opinion is, please understand what I tell you is, please understand 3 months is an extraordinary amount of time for you. Extraordinary amount of time. Going for single group, I honestly feel it is nothing but, sir, you are wasting your time. You will have too much of time and you will have like lavishly you'll be spending with, you will be more lethargic, all these things. So if you decide for single group, I seriously see something like you will be wasting the time for sure. You will not be that disciplined. Sir, no, sir. I'm a college goer, sir. I have to attend colleges. I have to go for classes, all these things. So I'm not able to manage time. I'm doing my graduation also, and I'm attending classes and preparation, all these things. It is being little bit more hectic for me. Then, as I told, first target one group in 1 month, finish off, see whether you're able to do it, whether you're able to manage the time or not. Then you go with that. Otherwise, I'm telling you, if you are through CA foundation route and or direct entry, whatever it is, you don't have any other commitments other than studying. If you don't have any other commitments, strictly go with both groups. 100% achievable. 100% achievable. 90 days with three revisions and three rounds of 100 marks exam also, you can happily go to the exam. So please understand, and only after clearing both groups, you can go with the articleship. So what is the point of writing only one group and you don't have anything else to do in life, right? You have absolute full day for you. And still, if you are not trying both groups now, I'm telling you honestly, you're definitely going to kill the time. So please make sure you're properly utilizing the time and following these tips and going forward, right? So I'll be just coming up with more and more videos where to just give you guidance regarding how to prepare the subjects, etc., etc., all these things. And of course, my subjects, CA, Inter GST, and CA Final IDT. Of course, I'm going to upload latest marathons, this MTPs, RTPs, all these things. The only thing, last September exam, during the exam itself, I was like with viral fever, I couldn't do certain things for CA final students, etc., etc. So this time I'll be doing all these things. So wishing you all the very best. Please be super positive. Try to give your 100%, and definitely success is going to be yours. So let's do this time in Jan exams. So wishing you all the very best once again. This is your Mr. GST signing off. Jai Hind.